Alright, so my exhaust setup is Pypes 1 5/8 headers, a Bassani off-road X pipe, no cats, and SLP LM1 Resonators, if that's what you want to call it. There's nothing inside of them, no packing, they're hollow, and Flowmaster 3-inch tailpipes. So yeah, the exhaust is full 3-inch from the mufflers back, and then before that from headers to the mufflers it is 2.5. I would like 3, but Bassani makes a good X pipe, so that's all that matters. And it's extremely loud, kind of has a coyote noise to it, so kind of similar to that tone wise. Some rasp, but that's what I was looking for. I didn't want the typical Foxbody sound, you know, 2-chamber Flowmasters and a H pipe. Wasn't looking for that, so hope you like it. Here you go.